Hello and welcome to physics. We are going to look at work, energy, and power. We will now look at power as well. Okay, power in watts is the rate of doing work. And now, as we know that work done is equal to energy transferred, it's also the rate at which energy is transferred. So power is the work done over the time, or power is the energy transferred over the time. Okay, so if we're doing work because we're applying a force over a distance, then power is the force times the distance over time. If we're doing power because we are gaining potential energy, then it is the gain in potential energy over time. If we are using power because we are moving a car at a certain velocity with a certain kinetic energy, it is the kinetic energy over the change in time. And then if, okay, the object moves at a constant speed, okay, we see that the bottom in the green, that power is work over time, which is force times distance, and distance over time, if it's at constant speed, okay, no acceleration, we can also calculate the power saying force times velocity, okay, and velocity having distance over time in it. Only at this case of zero acceleration or at a specific moment. If the velocity has a certain amount at a specific instance and we know the force of the engine of the car, for example, we can calculate its power. Okay, so what is power? We said it's the rate at which you're doing work at, or at which energy is transferred. We've looked at the two formulas and we can combine them, and then further we said that power is force times velocity. Okay, so let's look at an example. What is the power output of the stickman as he pushes his box 5 meters in 3 seconds with a constant force of 12 Newton? So the work done, okay, is 5 times 12, which gives us 60, and he does it in 3 seconds, so that gives us 20 watts. Okay, so we say force times distance over time, or we calculated in the previous example that the work done is 60. Now, in another case, what is the power output when applying a 12 Newton force on an object at an angle of 25 degrees above the horizontal to move it 5 meters in 3 seconds? First, we use the work from the previous problem above, and we calculated that the horizontal component did 54.5 joules. And then we divide that by the time, so we say 54.5 divided by 3 gives us 18.2 watts. Okay, that's a brief summary of work or energy or power, or all three. I hope you have understood this, and if you've got any questions, please leave me a message. Thank you.